Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful handmade woolen mat. First I'll make a slip knot. Then I'll chain 6 stitches. Next, I'll insert the hook into the very first chain and work into it like this. After that, I'll crochet 5 stitches into the center. Then I'll wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through all the loops. Watch closely as I show you each step so you can easily follow along and make it yourself.